Are you tired of the 9 to 5 grind and dreaming about working from home? What if I told you that some high-paying, full-time careers can now be done entirely from the comfort of your own home? In fact, remote work has evolved, offering lucrative opportunities in fields that require high-value technical skills and human-centric services. But which careers can actually replace a full-time job while allowing you to work from home? Well, in today's video, we're diving into the top 8 work-from-home ideas that can earn you a full-time income without stepping foot into an office. Let's get started. 1. Software and mobile app engineering. Build the future of digital tech. Are you someone who loves to solve complex problems and build technology that changes the world? Software engineering is one of the most highly paid remote roles available. In this field, you'll be responsible for developing the software and mobile apps that power everything from social media platforms to advanced enterprise tools. With the rise of AI and machine learning technologies, the demand for engineers skilled in languages like Python, Rust, and Go has soared. The potential salary range in this field is impressive, with salaries ranging from $100,000 to $300,000 or more per year, depending on experience and specialization. In fact, companies like GitLab and Zapier, which operate with entirely remote teams, offer full benefits, stock options, and flexible working hours for their developers. If you're looking to build a long-term career that offers stability, excellent pay, and the freedom to work from home, software engineering might just be the perfect fit for you. 2. Data science and machine learning. Turning data into actionable insights. Do you have a knack for analyzing data and turning complex information into clear, actionable business insights? Data science and machine learning (ML) are two fields that are not only incredibly rewarding, but also in high demand. As more companies embrace AI, the need for skilled professionals to develop and monitor ML models has increased dramatically. Data scientists work on everything from analyzing consumer behavior to optimizing business operations, making them an essential part of corporate decision-making. In addition to analyzing historical data, data scientists also predict future trends, helping businesses to stay ahead of their competitors. The earning potential here is significant, with salaries ranging from $110,000 to $280,000 plus per year. Many data scientists work for large corporations, while others provide their expertise to smaller companies, allowing for career growth without ever needing to leave your home. Additionally, the ability to build machine learning models or predictive algorithms is highly valuable across a range of industries, including finance, healthcare, and marketing. As businesses continue to rely more heavily on data-driven decisions, data science offers an excellent opportunity for anyone interested in both high-tech work and high pay, all from the comfort of home. 3. Telehealth, providing care and comfort from home. Have you ever considered a healthcare career that doesn't require working long shifts in a hospital? Telehealth has emerged as a groundbreaking solution, offering healthcare professionals a way to treat patients remotely via secure video platforms. This is especially true for nurse practitioners and psychiatrists, whose services are in demand more than ever. With telehealth, patients can now receive care, mental health support, and medical consultations from the safety and comfort of their own homes. As healthcare continues to adapt to digital transformation, these remote roles offer not only high job security, but also an excellent salary. The earning potential here ranges from $132,000 to $300,000 or more per year. If you're a licensed healthcare provider looking for flexibility, telehealth provides a wonderful alternative to the traditional healthcare setting. With projected growth rates for telehealth careers up to 35% by 2034, this is one career that's definitely here to stay. 4. Product management. PM shaping the future of digital products. Ever wonder who's behind the development of the apps and tools we use every day? It's the product managers. Product managers are the strategic masterminds behind digital products, acting as the CEO of a product. From coordinating with engineering and design teams to analyzing user feedback, PMs ensure that a product is both functional and aligned with market needs. The salary range for product managers is impressive, typically between $110,000 to $300,000 plus per year. And with documentation, data-driven planning, and remote communication being central to the role, it's a job that can easily be done from anywhere. Product managers are also responsible for setting the long-term vision for the product and collaborating with various teams to execute this vision. What makes this role so attractive is its scalability. As companies grow, so do their product needs, which means opportunities for career progression and the potential to make a serious income, all while managing products remotely. If you're strategic, enjoy collaboration, and have a passion for bringing products to life, product management is a role that can evolve into a fulfilling, long-term career from home. 5. Enterprise Account Executive. Sales, closing big deals from home. If you're a natural at building relationships and closing deals, a career as an Enterprise Account Executive AE could be a fantastic work-from-home career. Unlike general sales, enterprise AEs deal with complex, high-stakes sales, usually for large corporations. This job requires you to work closely with decision-makers, manage multi-stakeholder deals, and navigate a long sales cycle. Despite the challenges, the compensation potential is huge. High performers can earn between $120,000 and $360,000 per year, especially with commission structures that reward successful sales. Additionally, AEs often travel to meet with clients, but many companies offer flexible remote working options for top performers. As businesses shift to digital channels, many enterprise AEs now work entirely remotely, making this a great opportunity for those who love sales but want the flexibility of working from home. The job provides an excellent work-life balance while offering generous commissions and the ability to earn substantial income based on performance. 6. Cybersecurity Consulting. Protecting digital assets from a distance. In a world where data breaches and cyber attacks are becoming more frequent, the need for cybersecurity consultants is an all-time high. Companies are looking for experts to help secure their digital infrastructure, making this an incredibly lucrative and rewarding field. As a cybersecurity consultant, you'll perform tasks like network monitoring, vulnerability testing, and creating security protocols to protect a company's sensitive data. These roles are ideally suited for remote work, allowing you to provide 24/7 security coverage from anywhere. The salary range for cybersecurity consultants is $55,000 to $124,000 plus per year, depending on expertise. And with the increasing importance of data protection, businesses are willing to pay top dollar for skilled professionals who can safeguard their networks. 7. Digital marketing or SEO agency. Help businesses thrive online. If you're passionate about online marketing, running a digital marketing or SEO agency could be a perfect work-from-home business. In today's digital-first world, companies need constant visibility to remain competitive. As an agency owner, you'll help businesses rank higher in search engines, create effective ad campaigns, and drive traffic to their websites. A digital marketing agency offers excellent scalability. You can start as a solo consultant and gradually expand by hiring contractors to handle various tasks. Agency owners can make anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000 per month per client. And with a growing client base, the potential to earn a full-time salary from home is substantial. Whether you're managing SEO strategies, creating content, or handling ad campaigns, this work-from-home opportunity allows you to manage multiple clients while building a sustainable business. 8. UX/UI and product design. Crafting digital experiences. If you have a flair for creativity and design, a career in UX/UI or product design may be the perfect fit. Product designers shape how users interact with apps and websites, making them essential to the success of digital products. With tools like Figma and Sketch, collaboration with remote teams has never been easier. Salaries for UX/UI designers range from $100,000 to $280,000 per year, and many designers are hired as full-time remote employees, offering job stability and flexibility. As businesses continue to digitize their services, the demand for skilled designers who can create user-friendly experiences is increasing. Whether working on websites, mobile apps, or software, product designers can enjoy the satisfaction of knowing their work impacts millions without leaving home. As the world becomes more digitally connected, work-from-home opportunities are expanding, offering not only flexibility, but also the potential for full-time salaries. Whether you're looking to dive into software engineering, become an enterprise account executive, or start your own digital marketing agency, these 8 work-from-home careers are proving that it's possible to replace your full-time job with the right skills and dedication. If you enjoyed this video and want more insights into these amazing opportunities, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content that helps you navigate the world of remote work. Thanks for watching. I shall see you in the next video.